Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and I'm back with another informative video. And in today's video I'm going to explain about SOP, which is Statement of Purpose. So if you want to study abroad, most of the universities and most of the countries usually ask for SOP while submitting your application. So it's really an essential part of your study abroad journey, guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks and the importance of SOP and why one needs to write SOP and everything in this video. So yeah, without any delay, let's get into the video. First, let me explain what is statement of purpose and also its importance. A statement of purpose allows you to state your goals to the university's admission committee. It is really important to state your ambitions, work experience, academic performance, and even your desire to study in a UK university or to choose UK as your study abroad destination. And also, guys, even if you have brilliant academic results and everything, and if you don't have well-written SOP, then there is a chance that your application might get refused. So be really careful while writing SOP. Make sure you're including all of your achievements, desires and everything, because it's really important to get an admission in the UK university. So now that I have explained what is SOP and the importance of SOP, now let me just tell you briefly how to write an SOP, guys. What UK universities expects is they need to understand why you applied to so and so university and why did you choose UK as your study abroad destination. So you need to justify these two things based on your personal circumstances, which means your academic performance, your work experience and everything. You need to link all these together, to say that this is why I want to study in so and so university and so country. So you need to justify that, and how well you justify that is really important, because they need to think that by the end of your SOP they need to think that this guy needs to study in this university to achieve his goals. So let me give you an example. So you need to say, so I've studied so and so degree in my masters and I've done similar work experience for 2 years or 1 year, and right now I want to pursue my higher education in so and so university, because I know you might have have your criteria about choosing the university. You can mention that, say the reputation, the degree, whatever it is, you can mention that, and also how that is aligning with your goals. So if you are doing so and so master's degree in so and so university, what are you going to get out of it, and how are you going to reach your final destination? So that's very important, because they need to know why you need to do this course right now in this university. So you need to justify that. So you need to say, I need to do that because I've done this in my previous work experience, or this was my bachelor's degree. So if I do this, it'll add advantage to my career and I can reach my goal of so and so. So basically you need to justify all these things in your SOP. So in simple words, I think I'm a little bit confusing you, but let me just tell you in simple terms. So basically you need to link your academic performance, work experience, and then say that if you want to achieve, and there's final goal for you guys, and if you want to achieve the final goal, for example to get a job in the UK in so and so industry, you need to do this course in the so and so university, because it's going to add advantage to you, and also you're going to reach your goal very sooner. You know what I mean? So you need to justify that. You need to write a brilliant SOP, and there are so many samples available online. So if you search SOP examples for UK, and guys, SOPs are different for different countries, so make sure you're checking the criteria for the UK universities, and then you're good to write an SOP. So this is basically how you write SOP and what is included in the SOP. And now I'll tell you a few important things to remember while writing SOP. So the first thing is, for UK universities SOP, so you need to keep 70 to 75% of your SOP focused on your academic achievements, and the rest you can talk about your personal interests and everything, but the more concentration should be on your academic excellence, because that's what they look for. And second thing is, for postgraduate programs in the UK, your focus should be on both the program you're applying for and also the university you're applying for. So you need to justify both the things. So why are you applying for the so and so university, and why did you choose so and so course? So you need to justify both of them. So the third thing is, usually universities from Australia, Canada, US expects your SOP to be little informal and candid, but UK expects your SOP to be like very formal and very strict kind of thing. So make sure you remember this while writing your SOP. And the next point is, there is a word count for the SOP, guys. So you cannot like just write huge paragraphs and then you cannot like submit it like that. So there's a word count, which is, there's a limit of maximum 47 lines or 4,000 characters long, whichever comes first. So you're required to draft your statement within this word. And the final thing to keep in mind is about plagiarism, guys. Yes, so you should not like copy SOP from someone else or from the internet or from anywhere else. So the SOP needs to be from your own words, and you need to like create that on your own, and you should not copy it from anywhere else. If it is plagiarized, then they won't like consider your application at all. So make sure you don't copy it from anyone else. You can paraphrase it and write it in your own words, take reference and then write it in your own words, but don't copy as it is, because they will know, they have tools to know from where you copied and everything. So make sure you don't do that. Keep word count in mind, and make sure writing it like very formally, and then make sure you're including your academic achievements more, and then also just make sure you're connecting the dots really well, because you need to really justify why you're choosing the country, the course, and also the university, and how it's going to help you in achieving your dream, and also how it's going to like help you go forward in your future. If you follow all these things, I'm sure you're going to write an excellent SOP for your admission. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to know like more details about SOP and how to write it, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do another video explaining like more clearly about how to write SOP, because this is like a very huge topic, guys. I cannot like tell you how to write in one single video, but this is a video which explains what is it importance, what to keep in mind, what they're expecting, and all the important things are mentioned in this video. And if you want more information, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I'm happy to do another video for you guys, and yeah, I'll be back with more videos, guys. Bye.